for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let it go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling. Oh, I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. When this winterland used to look so pretty, now making me moody. In the deep woods, alone with my feels, spend too much time thinking. In the end, you'll be with me. Maybe I'm just getting it now. Time I took a little time out. Demons really catching up. Honey, what if there's no meaning? Oh, my heart is slowly bleeding. You said we still got today. Trust me that right now is all that matters.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, the weather is so bad today and I'm outside, and the thing about being outside today is dangerous driving outside because the ground is slippery, it is snowing. Most people, their windscreen is blocked, it's packed with snow, and everybody's just trying to keep on the lane. But the thing is, some people's tires are bad. You don't know whose tire is bad. So if that person kind of lose control because of the ground is slippery, they can get into your front or they can hit your car. So it's really, really dangerous and not advisable to be outside in a day like this. But I needed to do one or two things. That is why I'm outside. I just left the store. I went to Walmart to get some things, and now I'm going to my African store to get some food. So because my fridge is empty, there is nothing in the house. We don't have any food. So I'm just gonna go to the African store, see if I can get some things to make some stew and rice. Yeah, so the kids can eat something when they get back. Yeah, but how you guys doing? This is the start of a new vlog. Mind the way I'm looking, guys. It's really hard trying to look cute in this weather. If you do too much, you catch a cold. The most important thing is you have to be warm. So how you guys doing? This is the start of a new vlog. I'm starting off this week's vlog on Wednesday because the past 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, have been super busy for me. Like, I've been busy, you know. But this is the first time I'm picking up my camera this week. I'm just gonna vlog for the rest of the weekend. Yeah, and that is gonna be my week vlog. Hope you're keeping warm. Hope you guys are doing okay. Like, this weather, really, I just want to be on my bed right now and just cuddle up and watch a movie. That's just all I'm thinking about. Like, with my hot cup of coffee or something, you know, just be warm in a cozy weather. But adulthood, motherhood, you have things to do, you know. You just gotta get up and go. You gotta get up and do it. So guys, I'll pretty much show you little clips of me in the African store. Otherwise, I'll just talk to you when I get home. But I'm almost there now, and I'll talk to you guys when I get there. Okay, bye.
much later. The next day.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, quick update. I just wanted to quickly update you guys before I end this vlog. I know this vlog has just been all over the place, but bear with me guys. Yeah, so this week's vlog, I just pretty much showed you guys a couple of things I got up to during the day. Yeah, and this is like a week later. So I just wanted to round up this vlog. I have a full face of makeup I did like early hours of today after I dropped off the kids from school. And now I was about going to take a shower, but I was like, let me just end the vlog here before I do that. Pretty much I was just catching up on my faves on YouTube. Like, there are some faves I've been enjoying their vlogs lately, and I'm enjoying it. Like, shout out to Nigerian YouTubers. Like, they are doing amazing. Like, they are doing so good. Like, if I think of the struggles they go through in terms of electricity, lights, the cost of buying internet and things like that, and the noise in the neighborhood and stuff like that. Like, I was born and brought up in Nigeria, so I know all these things, and still at that, these people still manage to push through and constantly posting video. Like, it's serious work. Like, if you know, you know. So shout out to Nigerian YouTubers. You guys are doing amazing, and wow, I'm really impressed. So guys, quick update about the kids. The kids, I just put them to bed. It's pretty much late already. Look at this, is past 11 right now. I just put them to bed not quite long ago. We were up watching a movie, and I was like, okay, it's time to go to bed. So the kids are back to school, and they're both doing great. I also see signs of teething, like her poop has been really loose, loss of appetite, and she's been cranky. Yeah, I don't know. Chidema is my second child, and I don't know, kids, I know kids tend to show sign of teething in different ways. For my son, it wasn't this way. For my son, it was throwing up. Like, when he was around this age of like 1 year plus, and like you could really see that this child is teething. He would find there was lost in appetite. He would throw up a lot. He would be crying, and you know, this teething stage of for children is really hard. Like, it's really hard. So she's pretty much doing okay, but like today she's been cranky, crying, coughing, like that constant coughing. I know it's teething, but the good part of it is they are going to pass this stage very soon. Like, I was thinking about it some days ago. Like, I remember when my son was going through this phase, I'll be like, oh God, this is hard. My baby is in pain and I cannot do anything about it. But look at him today. My baby is 4 years old. Yeah, so his sister is in that teething stage, and it's really hard. Like, seeing them go through all of this pain and you can't do anything about it. It's really hard. But other than that, they're doing okay. So guys, I did this ponytail up bun kind of situation myself. Yeah, I just wanted to do something to my hair, and you know, just to make the hair look good and not look, you know, for the fact that I'm gonna be on camera regularly, I have to put in that extra effort of looking to look good for you guys and not come to you guys looking like one bush gal, you know. So yeah, I don't know if you guys like this type, but I don't know, it's late already. This face is tired. Like, I filmed a couple of videos today. I'm so proud of myself, and I also vlogged. So this is like pretty much over 12 hours of makeup, so it's due to be taken down. So I'm just gonna go take a shower, probably relax, watch a movie, because really I'm not really sleepy. I still feel like I want to be awake. Just get something doing, watch a movie, or maybe edit a video or something. But you know, there's always something to do. yeah, guys, this is the pretty much the end of this vlog, and maybe start up a new vlog tomorrow. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. The kids are back to school. I'm happy. I'm able to do one or two things when they are gone, and yeah, I'm thankful about that. I thank God for that, and yeah. So guys, this is the end of the vlog, and if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do not hesitate to subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, don't hesitate to share my video with them. They might pretty much like my content, or support your girl, support me. Okay guys, enough of the ranting, and yeah, this is the end of the vlog. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.